Here's what I'm doing to repair the broken lines, the broken velcro. It was poorly sewn in there, so I went and bought 20-pound braided fishing line and this E600 adhesive and some Singer heavy-duty fabric repair needles. And I just looped it around the plastic welt, which should hold a lot better. And then I'm terrible at sewing, but it's going to be a lot stronger with the combination of the heavy-duty line and the adhesive combined. And I can't say good things. This needle broke already. They're cheap, but I think the repair is going to hold up. Now I just have to do 2 more.